Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Two. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to 2x speed on Spotify. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Just so you know, you can't increase the speed of your songs on Spotify, but for sure you can speed the increase of podcast you want to listen to. All you have to do is go to search bar and look for the podcast you want to increase the speed of, or you can simply go to your library and select the podcast from your podcast playlist. All you have to do is go to the podcast, tap on play, then and right beside that 15 seconds rewind button you can see 1x option. Tap on it, then you can drag the slider towards speed, and guys, there you can find 2.0, and that's it. That's how you 2x speed on Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.